With the master data import worksheet, I can import the standard master data for the standard table with master data information in the same import. So I can mix master data with standard information. So for instance, on my customers here, I already have some master data information. If I'm looking at my specification and I drill down my information code, I can see some of the information code made in here. But I'd like to add an ABC code to all my customers. And if I look in my Excel sheet that I prepared, I can see here that I have defined ABC codes for my customers that I'd like to apply. And I can use an existing template or just build a new one. We'll build a new one in another video, but in this video, I'll just use column name 2 because I'm not using this anyway. So I can just use this and call it ABC code. I don't even have to rename it here because it's just the second column. So I'll just leave it as name 2, and I've just added the ABC code here. Let me close this Excel sheet, go back in Business Central. So first of all, I'd like to create a new information code for my customers called ABC code, which is part of the master data information creation. Maybe this could also apply to items, so I'm not adding a special table to it. So now I have an ABC code. I need a drop-down list of information value, unless I'm actually importing those. So I'll just do like this. And I know that in this example, I will only use ABC code. It could have been more letters, of course. And I think my spelling is not very good here. So now my information code and information value list is ready. The only thing I need to do now is to apply the ABC code to all my customers. And with the master data import worksheet in here, I can import data like this, and I need to change my template, of course. I can do that even before carry out because it's in the carry out that my template makes sense, but let me just change it while we're at it here. So I will look at my customer template, find my master data import template card, and I will change the name 2 that I just changed to be a master data information instead. It's an information value, and it's the new one that I made called ABC code, like this. So now I changed my template. I can select my new customer template or my modified customer template, find the customer with master data file, import it. And I'll expect it to have ABC code in the column where my heading in the Excel sheet was name 2, but I know in the template that column 3 is actually ABC code. I could check it from here, looking at my import template card, just to make sure that column number 3 in here is a master data information with information value ABC. And normally I would have deleted all the other information in the worksheet, so I'm not re-entering all data in Business Central, but in this small example, I'll just carry out writing over all my existing customer data. Not very nicely though, but I'll expect my new ABC code to be applied on all my customers. So back on my customer list, if I'm looking at either on the customer of the customers, looking at the master data specification, I will expect it to have an ABC code that equals what I had in my Excel sheet. So it's possible to add master data information directly in the import with columns in an Excel sheet when you import.